Welcome to Module 1 Understand SEO Basics. In this module, we will lay the foundation for our SEO journey by answering two fundamental questions. What is SEO and why does it matter for your business? Let's start. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. But what does that really mean? At its core, SEO is the practice of optimizing your online content, website, and online presence to make it more appealing to search engines like Google. Now let's address why SEO is crucial for your business. Internet is a vast ocean of information and search engines act as navigators for users. Search engines help users find answers, solutions, products and services by matching their queries with the most relevant web pages. When users enter a query, they tend to click on the results near the top of the page. Research shows that the first page of search results gets a majority of clicks and the top results gets the most attention. Here's where it becomes essential for businesses. If your website isn't visible on that first page, your potential customers might not even know you exist. SEO helps improve your website's visibility, making it more likely to appear at the top search results. So let's understand organic versus paid traffic. First is natural and sustainable. Organic traffic is natural and sustainable, cost effective. Thirdly is it increases the credibility and trust. Now let's move to the paid traffic. First is immediate results, control and targeting, and last is costs and competition. Let's sum it up. SEO is about optimizing your online presence to improve search engine ranking, increase visibility, attract organic traffic, build trust and credibility. Now that we understand what SEO is and why it matters, let's dive deeper into the practical aspects of SEO in Module 2 Keyword Research. This is where we start building strategies that will help your business succeed online.